na-hit mo yung first million, you bought your first car, invested in property and multiple businesses, even before you hit the age of 20. At kakagraduate mo nga lang, no? Naunahan mo pa yung graduation. Nauna pa yung mga bagay na yun. Ano yung sa tingin mo naging biggest struggle mo when it came to really getting serious about your freelance business?
Yung fears na nagdududa ako to the point na, OMG, ang laki nito, kaya ko ba? Yung fears ko, if kaya ko pa talaga ito. And then, doon na. Kasi when I started to doubt, when I started to feel na hindi ko kaya, nafe-feel yung projects. Yung pinakamalaking lesson na natutunan ko talaga until now, I'm still trying to grasp the idea, is that yung freelancing, when you started, yung pinaka-goal mo talaga to get that first client. When you started to get clients, then mapupunta ka naman sa cycle na self-doubt, fears, kakainin. So, yung natutunan ko talaga, in the end, ikaw. Kasi freelancer ka eh. You're a business owner. You're an entrepreneur, business owner. Ikaw talaga. Ikaw yung mag-lead. You have a team na nakadepend sa'yo. And you also have your family. So yung na-learn ko na lesson is, huwag mo pabayaan yung sarili mo.